carpet has seen better days. Wow. Yeah, they need to change that out. This is a Saturday morning. Big difference between the weekday and the weekends normally in the bowling alley. No prices on their snack bar. They're not open yet. This one's 52 lanes. Certainly enough. And it looks like, yes, you have to go through the casino to get to the bowling alley. This store here is emergency only. Pretty adequate space down here. As you can see, you got 1, 2, you got 8, 10, 12, 14 seats available for those 2 lanes. That's way more than enough. And then you got some more up here. One thing I noticed about the Las Vegas bowling alleys, Red Rock, Suncoast, Gold Coast, is the bowling alleys are just really kept immaculate. This one is clean. It's certainly not it's not immaculate. It's not like Red Rock. I mean, Red Rock is the gold standard, I think. But if you look at this carpet is a little bit dingy. But it's not, I mean, you don't see trash on the floor. So it's a nice bowling alley. It's just not up to, it's not as good as Gold Coast. Not as good as South Point. Not as good as Red Rock or Suncoast. But it's better than most in the United States, I can tell you that. You put this bowling alley in Florida, and people would think they've gone to heaven. Yeah, it's everything you need. I think this, if they just would improve this entrance right here, your whole attitude would be different. Really, just replace the carpet on those stairs. And then, you know, because the escalators, they could use a good cleaning, but that's not as obvious as that carpet. carpet is terrible. Alright, that's all I got to say about the bowling alley.